welcome back to Triple A. So in today's video, I wanna share you some tips for your pre-class, in-class, and also post-class. How to optimize our learning outcomes without studying all day, all night. You know, we all have our own limited capacity for our brains to actually absorb all the things throughout the days. So what do you need to do to optimize and to be productive, efficient, and effective in your learning methods? Like,
take a head start.
yes, precisely. Take a head start. Taking a head start is the most effective, efficient, and the most productive methods of learning I've ever applied for optimizing my learning outcomes. Taking a head start means that you are one step further than the other people, that you prepare well before attending the lectures, and that makes you more, integrating well into the lectures, and this one. And the most other students are going to solely depend on the lectures, on the teachers, as if the lectures and the teachers are going to teach you from the scratch. No, they are not responsible for the scratch. They are just to guide you, to deepen your knowledge. So you are responsible for our own learning.
The second one, to brainstorm ideas and search for keywords, subject-specific words.
So the second method of learning for your pre-class before your lectures is to brainstorm ideas, arguments, or informations. To search for the keywords, subject-specific keywords. Like for example, in a business, you have this kind of keywords, and whatever that you feel unfamiliar with it, make sure that you check it out on your search engine and make sure you are familiar with it.
1. Review your previous lectures.
Third one, the last one for pre-class, what you need to do is to review your previous lectures or tutorials. Make sure that you don't forget what you have learned, because it's not going to be productive, effective, and efficient anyway if you forget everything that you have learned. And try your best to link your previous materials from your lectures or tutorials to tomorrow's lectures or tutorials.
It is important for us to outline our must-do list in order for us to not waste our time. Another method for you to be more productive, effective, and efficient is to gather all the information for each of the subjects in a folder. So gather them here, and then you can search it based on what you want.
Throughout our hectic schedule, it's important for us to manage our time to do our post-class tasks. I know we are all exhausted after the whole day, the entire day of lectures and tutorials, but yes, we all need to do all the post-class tasks first in order to review what we have learned today and ensure that we really gain the knowledge.
This is what I did after my class, the post-class, post-workshop tasks, and then you need to contribute to discussion boards and then assessment tasks. We have actually presentations kind of things that we need to do. Starting from week 3, we have a lot of things to do. For example, like group presentations. So we need to, plan ahead so we are not rushed into the deadlines. We gotta do some works make sure to check out your understanding and just to make sure you really have learned something today. And do not underestimate the power of practice questions they have throughout the lectures or just where you can search through the Google or everything. For example, this one, we have group presentations, team meeting report, and then the final case study. And then this one, the practice quiz, the extra practice quiz. Everything is here for you to enhance your knowledge and understanding. Make sure you don't waste your university fees. It's quite high, you know. Okay guys, this is all the tips that I can share with you. I hope this is going to be very beneficial in order to enhance your productivity, effectiveness, and efficiency on your methods of learning and studying. Studying never bores, and studying may be hard, but that is why you need to start to do some tips from me in order to make sure that it's fun to learn and gain something new. Bye bye, I hope to see you on my next videos. Thanks for supporting us and thanks for watching.